Okay, so here is the green light. I mean the greenhouse slash green light. I love it. I got my plant babies in there. Look. Okay. I got to sweep up the dirt that I dropped, but that's okay. But look. Look at a picture of that. Oh. Yes, isn't that cool? Then, let me unzip it. There it is. Unzipped. I love it.
Okay, here's a video of your product not working. No lights on. Follow the cord down to the controller. Turn the controller on. That light comes on. Press the button to move the timer. Nothing happens. Light's still not on. Device does not work. It's very basic.
Kimberly, check this out. Woohoo! I'm so excited to get my seeds going. I got a grow light up there. Mom's plants are doing good. And then I got my little hydroponics going over here.
Error, the database is not available. 1, 2, 1, 5, 4. The